Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview rectangle swimming pool. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy swimming and splashing in this above-ground pool. The swimming pool is made of PVC without BPA, which is 50% thicker than most products on the market, thus reducing the risk of puncture and ensuring a long service life. I-frame metal provides strong support with a rust-resistant design for lasting use. Get ready to watch your kids' eyes light up when they see this rectangular frame above-ground pool set up in your backyard. Product benefits: easy to assemble and easy to store. The pool is treated with anti-corrosion paint to provide additional protection and long-term durability. The package includes swimming pool, children's swimming ring, beach ball, children's swimming goggles, child seat, air pump, and more. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.